Hello, little yogis! I'm Mira, and I'm so happy to practice yoga with you today. Remember to like and subscribe so you can join me for more fun yoga adventures. Today, we're going to stretch, move, and have fun together. Find a comfortable spot on your mat. Take a big, deep breath in through your nose. And let it out slowly. Are you ready? Let's begin our yoga adventure. Sit tall and bring your feet together. Now flap your knees like beautiful butterfly wings. Flutter, flutter, little butterfly. Stand tall and strong like a tree. Find your balance and imagine your branches reaching high into the sky. Reach one arm up and stretch gently to the side. Feel your whole body getting longer, like a rainbow. Bend one leg behind you like a little frog. Stretch gently and imagine you're getting ready for a big hop. Curl down and rest like a tiny sleeping child. Take a slow, peaceful breath and relax. Bend forward and let your hands reach down. Relax your body and sway gently like a leaf in the wind. Wrap your arms and legs and balance like a mighty eagle. Stay focused and spread your imaginary wings. Lie on your back and grab your feet. Rock gently from side to side like a happy, giggling baby. Sit tall and calm like a beautiful lotus flower. Take a deep breath and let your mind feel peaceful.
Lift your hips up high and become a strong bridge. Can you imagine a little river flowing underneath you?
Bring your legs gently overhead and become a little plow. Stretch long and breathe slowly. Let's build another strong bridge. Lift up high, hold steady, and breathe like a yoga superstar. Sit tall and proud like a superhero. Open your chest and feel strong, brave, and ready for anything. Reach up high and bend gently to the side. Stretch, stretch, stretch like a colorful rainbow. Lean forward and stretch your arms wide like airplane wings. Balance carefully and get ready to fly. Slide your legs apart as far as feels comfortable. Stay strong, breathe deeply, and shine like a superstar. Squat down low and balance like a playful little monkey. Keep your feet strong and your body steady. Lie on your tummy and slowly lift your chest. Hiss softly like a friendly cobra stretching in the warm sun. Reach down toward your toes and let your body relax. Take a deep breath and feel the stretch. Grab your feet and lift your chest and legs. Become a strong bow, ready to shoot an imaginary arrow into the sky. Bend your knee and stretch your arm overhead. Make a long, strong line with your body and shine like a yoga star.